Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at a bag of chips, yellow corn chips. But before we do, and you end up liking this video, be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons and hit that notification bell for more beer reviews or more reviews. Guess we kind of do everything here. So I saw another YouTuber who does beer reviews do all kinds of reviews on all kinds of foods. So I figure if he could do it, I can do it. So this stuff here is from Simply Nature. This is from Aldi's, and it's yellow corn tortilla chips. Gluten-free, organic, non-GMO. Now, those of you that don't know what non-GMO, any organic is a non-GMO. That's because their standards prohibit the use of GMOs. Otherwise, it wouldn't be organic. So, this whole bag has 11 servings, and there's 140 servings per, or 140 calories per serving. 11 servings in the bag, and the total carbohydrates, total carbs is 16 grams. Dietary fiber, 2 grams. No sugars. Protein. You get your protein. 2 grams of protein. You eat the whole bag, you're going to get 22 grams of protein. But you'll have to start lifting weights to get all the fat off. That's a lot of calories. Let's see, if you eat the whole bag in one day, you should not eat anything else. That's my advice to you. So, I'm going to open this up and check it out. As you can see, I'm going to use the scissors. I don't want to struggle trying to open this. And look like a big pussy, because I can't open it. Ooh, that smells good. So, it definitely smells like corn chips. I'd say yellow, but I suppose all corn chips could be different colors with dye. Smells salty too. I'd say it's definitely salty. We are going to try one of these bad boys. I don't have no salsa with me here. The dog's down here. These are good. Tastes like any other kind of corn chip. Doesn't matter that it's GMO, non-GMO. It's good. So if you're somebody that's never tried these, and like to eat organically, it's pretty good. Me, myself, Doesn't matter to me what the hell it is. As long as it tastes good. These are pretty good. So, there's quite a few benefits. It says 6 benefits of going non-GMO. Depending how long these are. Probably won't talk about it. Let's see, healthy soil equals healthy people. And there's a lot there on that subject right there. Disruptive monopoly. Look locally. The diverse diet. So this would be, for decades, nutritionists have recommended a diverse diet, low in processed foods. This would probably help. Non-GMO protects organic. And the gold standard, Organic Plus non-GMO project verified. I ain't gonna read all that. But they say that's the benefit. I would imagine it's healthier. Organically. What's the point otherwise? What is the point? But that's probably going to do it for this video. Ain't much to talk about. It's a corn chip. If you like corn chips, organic corn chips, if you want to try these. These are pretty good. I don't remember what I paid for them. They're at Aldi's, they're probably a little cheaper than anywhere else that's selling organic corn chips. These are pretty good. But yeah, that's probably going to do it. I want to thank you for joining me today. And we'll see you next time. Peace.